Guys, welcome back to another video. THDN. This is THDN. Nathan doesn't even know I'm filming for THDN.
You do know we're recording it on YouTube.
Yeah, Dan, I can't see him.
Yeah, I know, we best get out of it before the police come.
They're not gonna come.
Ah!
What? Oh, there's a worm drowning.
It's a big ass worm! I know, it's one over
He's an absolute idiot,
Oh, it's
guys.
tons of them! No, guys, about 15 people have taken pictures and recorded them.
If you can't hear him, it's saying that's the deepest. That's probably the deepest place there. I am not going in there. I don't care. And now Dan's gone in. Wow. Yeah, Dan's out. Too cold for him. Oh, why is that car coming in here?
Someone posted. Nathan! Someone posted a picture of you on Instagram! I'd love to go swimming.
A normal day in
England.
Hey, Nathan! A normal day in England! I'm going back. I ain't getting wet. I ain't going in.
Why is it just the people looking at you?
Because it's a comedy, this is.
This thing, dog.
Whoa, look, it's slippy. So slippy.
Look. I put my head in there.
Yeah. If he actually does that.
Oh my god, mate.
He did it. It's funny.
Right, we need to have a word of silence.
Oh.
Nathan! Silence! Freeze! Pause!
Oh. Bye, Nate.
Right. Now that we've left him, this will be the end of the video. Just wanted to tell you that he's the biggest idiot, and if you ever see him, please get us famous. Like and share, subscribe, and put in the comments down below.
Hey, you're paused.
#idiot.
Hey, Nathan, you got anything to say for the viewers?
Like and subscribe.
Oh yeah, guys, we're not getting him back. Bye.